writing complete research paper is nightmare, right? What if there is some method by which you can just like select the text and you can ask ChatGPT to explain you that text, like you are a 12th standard student or like you are a 9th grade student. Do you want that? Do you want to summarize any kind of article in the world? Right? Do you want to summarize any kind of article in the world? Do you want to comment something intellectual on LinkedIn post? Right? Do you want ChatGPT out of ChatGPT? Means like ChatGPT, they have pulled it and they have thrown it on internet, and you can make it like it will be your assistant. You can call it on any site you want. Want that? Summary and everything. Should I give you like by far the most overpowered tool? Okay. So this tool will work on Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox Merlin Chrome extension. So I'll just go to Merlin Chrome extension. So now let's say I'm not that bright, right? Let's say I'm not that bright and I'm not able to understand this scientific language. Let's say this scientific language is there. So I'm not able to understand this scientific language. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select the text. All right. I'm going to right click. Once I have installed Merlin Chrome extension on my Google Chrome or on my Mozilla Firefox, I'll be getting this option of give context to Merlin, right? So I'll be just giving this as context to Merlin. And here in the prompt, I'll ask Merlin to explain me this in 5 bullet points like I am 12 years old. All right. So let's just see. And boom, guys. Now let's say I have like unlocked this article from 12fit.io. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select this. All right. I'm going to right click and I'm going to give this context to Merlin. All right. And I'll ask it to summarize me this in 2 bullet points. Summarize this to me in 2 bullet points. All right. Will this work in PDF document? Absolutely. Like we just saw, like it is working in PDF document as well. All right. Do you want a tool by which you can summarize complete YouTube video? All right. So this podcast I'll be opening. This is a 2 hours 37 minute podcast. All right. So once I have installed Merlin Chrome extension, I'll be getting this option. All right. I'll be getting this option of summarize this video. So I have installed Merlin Chrome extension. That's why I'll be getting this option of summarize this video. And I'll be clicking on summarize this video. And boom, let's wait for 10-20 seconds. So does this only work for English? No, this will work for Marathi, Hindi, whatever language you want as well. Right. So I'll just search a Marathi article and I'll show you power of Merlin. Marathi article, right? Marathi article on AI. So this is the article from Maharashtra Times. So let me just open this. So this is a Marathi article, right? So what I'm going to do? So I'll just like select this. All right. I'll just select this. I'll right click. I'll give this context to Merlin. And I'll ask Merlin to summarize me this in English. Summarize me this in English. All right. Boom. It has given me like whatever I have given it has context in Marathi, in Tamil, in Telugu, in Kannada, any language. If I give context to Merlin, it will give me complete end-to-end summary of that. Absolutely mind blown, right? Next time if you see like really interesting article which is in vernacular language, then you can use this and you can translate. Like this is really powerful, right? So even if you don't understand English, just ask it to like summarize this in your mother tongue, right? If you don't understand Marathi, then you can ask it to convert it in Telugu, or you can ask it to convert it in Hindi, right? So that's absolutely mind blowing, right? So let's just go on our YouTube and okay. So I think the video was too long. That's why it is taking so much time, right? So let me just open some another video.
everybody.
Yeah, so I have this in front of me. Okay, I think it has summarized our earlier video and I just skipped that video, but yeah. So this 57-minute YouTube video, it has summarized me this everything, right? It has summarized me everything. So you can just read it, and if you want to skip to any particular section, like you have watched a podcast of 3 hours, but if you want to get motivation from particular part, but you don't remember where it is, so here you have timestamps and you have everything. Like you'll be getting all the bullet points. All the bullet points you'll be getting, right? Not only this, you can chat to your that favorite celebrity as well. You can chat. So here I'll just ask like how to stay motivated. How to stay motivated. So it will give me in context of that video. It will give me answer in context of that video. How crazy